AGCO is a global leader in the design, manufacture, and distribution of agricultural machines through its internationally renowned brands, foremost being world's oldest tractor brand, Massey Ferguson. Throughout past decades, Massey Ferguson MF300 series tractors have revolutionized small and medium-scale farming across continents. A household name amongst the farming community of Pakistan, MF300 series tractors are being produced through a 6 decades-old partnership of technology transfer between Massey Ferguson and Millet Tractors Limited, the sole manufacturing licensee in Pakistan. Hand in hand with its technology partner AGCO and aided by on-site training, latest technologies and tools, Millet has successfully implemented production processes at par with global best practices to manufacture world-class tractors. This has positioned the company as industry leader in Pakistan with over 60% market share. Through a fast expanding network of dealerships in world markets, Millet Tractors is now delivering doorstep services and promoting its values across the globe with the export of new MF300 series tractors through AGCO Corporation's dealer and distribution network. They are not only economical and durable, but also high in quality and specifications like power steering installed for greater driver comfort, oil-immersed disc brakes for ease of operation, and robust straddle axle for extraordinary field performance. Due to the competitive edge in price, durability, reliability, and low cost after-sales support, MF300 series tractors are highly sought after in the global market. Millet's cutting-edge facility with technologically advanced processes and highly skilled manpower encapsulate its adherence to zero-defect manufacturing. The production of tractors rolls out with incoming inspection of components to test their functionality and endurance. This sets the benchmark in consistent quality to achieve excellence throughout the production process. Millet's state-of-the-art lab is equipped with cutting-edge machines and tools for material testing, hardness testing, structure analysis, UTS test, and gear profile test. Precision and accuracy are the hallmarks of machining quality components. Millet's machining division is a high-tech facility where all machine castings and vendor-supplied parts are audited on 2 modern German coordinate measuring machines for best quality always. Pressure testing is also carried out to make sure that all parts are fault-free. Honing of cylinder block bores is carried out on precision honing machines. Millet's engine assembly plant, manned by a highly skilled and experienced workforce, exemplifies engine assembling at par with international standards. SOPs and clearly defined check sheets are implemented at each stage of assembly. Specially designed racks used for proper material handling and storage on assembly line ensure the availability of superior quality parts for a seamless assembling process, which is closely monitored through ERP system. Aiming for optimum standard is an integral part of each production activity. All assembled engines are stringently tested for different parameters on dynamo test beds equipped with a Cicada system. Millet's Green Engine Lab is a groundbreaking initiative for producing environment-friendly engines. Making use of high-technology equipment, here engines are tested and analyzed according to Euro-compliant engine emission standards. This is one-of-its-kind lab in Pakistan. All tractor parts arrive for assembling at Tractor Assembly Plant, where they are first washed and then fed to assembly line at designated stages. Ergonomically designed trolleys and stillage used for transportation of these parts enhance productivity of workers and ensure safe and healthy environment. Tractor Assembly Plant can cater for production of more than 250 tractors in a day, ranging from 50 to 85 horsepower. 12 tractor models are being assembled here on a single assembly line. Tractor assembling begins at substages with crown wheel assembly, the center housing assembly, hydraulic system assembly, and rear axle assembly. Then moving on to the centralized conveyor. Dedicated assembly lines deploy advanced production technologies and tools to meet the standard and procedures mandated by Massey Ferguson. Each process undergoes PLC-based testing. All chassis parts then come together on chassis-built assembly line while going through different control checkpoints. On reaching the paint shop, it is first washed and pre-treated for better paint adhesion and desired finish. Care is taken to mask all parts which do not require paint. Malut has an advanced sheet metal paint setup. Here, components are first pre-treated with degreasing, rinsing, and phosphating for rust resistance, high-quality finish, adhesion, and glossiness. Special trolleys and bins have been designed for careful handling of painted parts to avoid any damage or scratches. They are thoroughly inspected for a flawless finish. It is on final assembly line that all remaining ancillaries are added, and the tractor begins to take shape. Each component being critical from aesthetic point of view as of function, expert care goes into their handling. Produced to the highest quality, the assembled tractor finally rolls down from assembly line ready for years of hard work. But to prove itself the best in reliability and durability, it has to go through rigorous quality tests. Roller test is conducted to verify all functional parameters for engine idling, PTO function, diff lock function, instrument panel gauges function, gears shifting, and brakes function. Then follow the lifting capacity and hydraulic function tests. Subsequently, PTO power and torque are analyzed and verified on a PTO dynamometer. Next, using ultraviolet light and fluorescent dye, checkup is done to detect any possible leakage. It is only after a final pre-delivery inspection of fluid levels, adjustments, electrical functions, and aesthetics that a tractor qualifies to reach the customer. Tractors destined for global markets through AGCO Corporation's dealer and distribution network are shipped in designated containers after being properly secured. These containers are then sealed to prevent any tampering during transportation.
We believe in providing a good quality and affordable tractor to our farmers, and we have achieved it through almost 95% indigenization. We are now entering into a new era by being able to export our products to the world. We have been now exporting tractors and engines as well as our agricultural implements to the African market, and we will continue to expand into other markets. The future looks very promising, and we intend to launch more products and increase our footprint in the export market.
Malut boasts a portfolio of top-of-the-line tractors, each built to perfection and catering for every customer need. They stand out for design, fuel efficiency, and absolute value for money. All tractors offer revolutionary features across the range, like front weights, rollover protection system, sun canopy, drawbar, single and double hydraulic coupling for trailer tipping assembled with selector and spool valve.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Millet Tractors Limited is a successful example of employees buyout and privatization in the government's process. We now, in the last 30 years, have developed into 5 group associated companies and are known as the Millet Group of Industries. Our collaboration with AGCO has been most beneficial and fruitful for the country. We have been able to successfully develop 90% parts of international standard and produce a tractor of international quality. And we now have 60% market share, and we provide good after-sales service to our valued customers. We feel that in the coming years, we are going to be able to export our products with the help of Massey Ferguson and AGCO. And we feel that we have been able to save up to from $100 to $150 million annually in this indigenization plan. We feel that in the years to come, we will be able to export our tractors from Pakistan also with the help and support of our principals. I have to thank my directors, my management, and the workers who have been able to make this a successful company. We now have more than 150 to 200 vending units supplying parts to us, who are able to produce the parts to international and quality standards. We can compete in the international market at our price and at the quality levels of our product.
Quality is the cornerstone of Millet's business philosophy, and unwavering adherence to highest standards, a way of life at Millet. It constantly strives to push the limits in delivering industry-leading products that continue to command customer trust today and tomorrow.